up, YouTube? It is Dark Beauty 925 coming to you live, and today I'm so excited to be bringing you this video called Major's Makeup Bag Tag. So this actually has a little bit of a twist to it. So, ooh, excuse me. So basically what I'm going to be doing is at the end of my video, I'm going to be tagging 10 people that I am subscribed to, which actually I think we're all kind of like mutual subscribers to each other. Meaning like I've subscribed to them and they're subscribed to me. So basically I'm going to be tagging 10 people, which I'll have all of their channels in the description box, but I'm also going to kind of just have their names popping up as well on the video. And I basically want those 10 people to make a video titled Major's Makeup Bag Tag. And I just want to see what's in everybody's makeup bag. And I just really think this is a fun video, especially for the small YouTuber community. And it's just a way for us all to connect. So basically, I'm going to be choosing 10 people. But the people that I tag, I want them to choose 3 other people to also do the tag. So like at the end of whatever, like I just want to constantly see Major's Makeup Bag Tag everywhere so that I can see what's in your makeup bags. I just think this video is going to be so fun to film. So I'm going to start off and show you all what is in my to-go makeup bag, and at the end please stay around because it might be you that I choose to be in this tag. So this is my makeup bag. You might have seen this in one of my hauls. I got this from Marshall's and it was inside of a makeup kit. And it says Kiss and Makeup, and I just think that's so cute. And it's this teal color. I think that's teal. But it's like a light blue and the letters are red. And in the back is just blank. It kind of got pin marks all over it, because it's been in my purse. So I'm just gonna open it up, and I'm just so excited because I love watching like what's in my bag videos, what's in my purse videos, but these specific to makeup is like so fun to watch. So I'm just so excited for people to hopefully participate in Major's Makeup Bag Tag. And I don't know, I'm just so excited. So mine is a little full because I keep like everything in here. This is like my to-go makeup everywhere, just in case I might just be looking bold one day, don't want to do my makeup in the morning, and then my mom's like, oh, we're going to the mall, and I'm like, wait, I don't want to look too crazy. So that basically explains everything in here. So the first thing that I have is my mini edge control, and it is my favorite edge control, and I always, wow, I was about to drop it, and I always get it in these little tubes because I just be wanting to try the different formulas that I have, but I also found it useful because then I can take some to go. So I have like 4 of these, but this is the only one that I keep in my to-go bag. So the next thing that I have is this 1000 Wishes lotion, and I'm so happy because I could not find this for the longest. And if you've seen in my what's in my purse video, I had a big lotion in my purse and I was just getting tired of it. So I'm so happy that I found my hand lotion, so I just keep that in this bag as well. This is low-key more than a makeup bag. This is literally all I need to live, okay? Not really. So the next thing is some hand sanitizer, and look how crazy that looks. Like, it's so, I can't even tell you the brand. I think it's Pink Chiffon or Chiffon, however you pronounce it. But it legit smells so good. It almost smells like perfume when you put it on your hands. So I have a hand sanitizer. I just think that's very essential to have in your purse or makeup bag. The next thing that I have is this LA Colors Perfect Lash Mascara, and I just love mascara so much. I just keep it in my bag. I actually have 2 of them in here, I believe. This one is actually not supposed to be in my bag. I think I put that in there today because I was rushing. So I have a mascara, but the one that originally stays in my bag is this Beauty Concepts mascara, and this is actually the same brand as my makeup bag. This is one of the things that came in the same kit. So I just got a Beauty Concepts mascara. And then I also have a Beauty Concepts eyeshadow that I keep in there. And it's just like a neutral brown, just in case I just want to, like, I think that's what I have on my eyes right now. Just in case I just want to lighten up my eye area, have a little glitter right there. Then, of course, I like stay with my Carmax. So one of them are like filled, and one of them I need to actually throw away because it's none in there. So I keep my Carmax in there. I don't wear lip gloss anymore, or barely. Then for some reason I have a pencil that does not need to be in there. Then I have the pencils that are supposed to be in here. So this one is my brown pencil, and I keep this in there because I don't want to take my gel liquid brows thing and carry that in there. So I just carry like a brown brow pencil. And then the next thing is just a black eyeliner, which is also the oh no, this is the Ulta Beauty eyeliner. So I just keep a typical black eyeliner in there. I just got an eyelash applicator, which is funny because I don't even have like nothing else that really goes with putting eyelashes on. Like I don't even have any glue in here to fix them. So I don't even know why I have that in there, but just in case, never know. The next thing that I have is just this neutral, it's like a, I'm gonna just show it to you. It's like this matte LA Colors lipstick, and it's just kind of a cool neutral color that I can just wear with anything. So I just keep that in there because no matter what outfit I have on, it will somehow match, just in case I'm in like an emergency. If I'm in an emergency, what do I need makeup for? I'm so crazy. Then I have a Beauty Concepts eyeliner that I keep in there, which is just, again, the same brand as this makeup kit. And then I keep a Ulta lip gloss just in case I lose my Carmex, because I lose my Carmex all the time. And then I have another Ulta Beauty lip gloss in here, and it's a matte lip cream, and it's in the color Stirring, or not the color, but the name is called Stirring. And then the last thing that I have in here is just one bobby pin. I need to put some more in there because bobby pins are like so essential. Literally, like, you almost everybody either asks for a bobby pin or I need a bobby pin myself. So that is the end of that. I'm so happy that I could share the things that were in my makeup bag tag. Cannot wait to see people's videos posted up. I really hope that you participate. So now I am going to get into the names of the people, that top 10 people that I picked to do this tag, and then I will absolutely love it if you tag 3 more people. I'm just gonna go into naming the people that the 10 people that I picked that I want to do this tag. So I kind of did this going through my subscriber list, just either names that I see comment all the time on my videos or just some of my favorite small YouTubers. So that is where the names are coming from. I do not want anybody to feel left out. That's why I want the people that I tag to tag 3 other people, because I want everybody to do this. But I just didn't want to list off 100 people. So I even went over the number that I was going to do before by saying 10. But I'm just sticking with 10, and I just hope those 10 people pick more people. So listen up for your name, because I know y'all probably tired of me talking and want to see if you are the one that is chosen. So my name pronunciation is absolutely terrible, but I have a list right here, and I'm going to try to say these names as best as I can. I hope I can put, like, you know, a whole bunch of names at a time. No, I'm gonna just put it in the list, and so you'll probably hear me say it. I mean, you'll probably see your name before you hear me say it, but I just, yeah. So it is Bria with, I don't even know how many A's, but Bria, Tasha, Randomly Ani C, Leandra Mackey, Majoey Diani, I'm not sure, Shania, Lynn Junior Beauty, She _ Kalisa, It's Sharon London, XO Queen J, and I think that's 10. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, that is 10. So those are the 10 people that I have chosen in my tag. I really, really hope that you participate. I just think it would be so fun to see what's in your makeup bag. So again, I just want you to put Major's makeup bag tag as the title, so that it will be easier for me to find the video. And then I also want you to tag 3 other people. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also click the bell to receive notifications for every time that I post. And I also hope this video just makes the whole small YouTuber community come together, or even it could possibly get to like a big YouTuber, and I'll just be excited to see them actually participate. That would be fun as well. So it is Dark Beauty 925 signing out of this live. Bye.